So, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Word, or Office, for free on your laptop. So, let's begin. First of all, open the Chrome browser and type Microsoft Store in the search bar. Make sure to type it correctly. After that, click on Top Free Apps on PC. You can also find this option by scrolling down. Now, after coming here, click on the search icon and type Office in the search bar. Then, search for it. Click on Shop, then click on See All. Here, you will find Microsoft Office. All versions are paid, but you will find a free option. Click on it and download it. After downloading, you need to install this. For that, click on Download App and wait. Now, click on Open. Wait for a moment. Then, you'll need to create an account. Click on Sign In. Then select Microsoft Account and continue. Enter a Gmail account. Since we're creating a fresh account, copy a Gmail ID and paste it here, then click Next. Since we don't have a Microsoft account yet, click on Get a New, and then click Next. Enter a password and click Next. Then enter your first name and last name and click Next. Select your date of birth and proceed by clicking Next. For verification, a code will be sent to your Gmail account. Open Gmail, copy the verification code, paste it here, and click Next. Now, you need to solve a CAPTCHA. Once you do, click Submit. Your account is now successfully created. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and all other Microsoft variants ready to use. So I hope you can understand, and I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.